mean a lot more. So
Oh yeah.
That's sick.
LaCroix, that's classic. Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
We're gonna hook you up.
Put meth in the round.
Looks like an old school fig classic.
Big day.
Big day. Sunday Fig's a big Sunday rider guy. Good game.
Oh, he's a shredder.
How's he doing?
He went and tore the flag down off of Hirano
Oh, he's on one, huh?
and broke the thing.
Damn.
The flag on riot day.
Quit messing around. Yeah, I guess you got into it. You got into it with Johnny over at Ron's too. Shredder, you got to chill, Shredder. Got to keep it herbal. Any pieces down? No. Looks good. Always do a check. You guys roast that. Thank you. You roast it. You got it. Roast it out. Good buds. Good buds.
Good buds.
Yeah, good buds. Good buds. DMT.
You can only smoke so much.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Oh, I'm out. We'll go slap some more art up.
Bombs.
You gonna catch those riders, George? Lasorda, I put up some Lasorda art. 93.
Good time.
What a legend.
Good time, yeah.
Tommy Lasorda. The Godfather. Tommy Lasagna.
I got a wine bottle of it.
Oh, there you go.
Signed it to me.
Oh, dope. There you go. Where'd you meet him at? Where was that at?
The attorney from Hirano's got it for me.
Oh, wow.
He knows him, so.
Tommy Lasagna.
Yeah.
Gents, homies, keep it herbal. Anarchy. Gotta go check out this Steelers game. Rams might go all the way now, huh? It's their turn. Rams' turn.